Now I'm recording. Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys. So today I'm playing Murder Mystery 2 with my friend Grace right here. Hello. And she's recording too. She is recording too. Yes, she is. I did the wrong dance. Okay, I spelled it wrong. No, 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 no. Why are you trading me? You like my chroma? Well, that's sad. It's my only weapon, actually. Except the default knife and default gun. Oh, I did wave. What are you doing? Dance too? Oh. Oh, I'm doing the same thing. Oh, it's, sometimes he gets naked. And then he has this like weird face and stuff. Oh wait, I have lobby mode on. I'm so sorry. That means we're only gonna be right here. Mansion 2! Whoops. Yes. You have to buy it with your coins. Let's see. How much is it? It's in the emotes. I have no idea how much it is because I bought it. 800? Oh, I'm good at sheriff, but I want to be murderer. I see you, Grace. I'm coming for you. 2, 1. Ah, don't. No! Yes! You get it for free. Oh, I don't know if you can. Let's see. Powers. Yeah, you can. But it's a good power because you can follow the footsteps. You like my wings, everybody? Wait, Grace. Grace, can I do a show for you? No! Wait, I'm gonna do lobby mode really quick. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna give you a show. Okay, I'm gonna, no! Next round then, next round. Woo! Yes, I can use my chroma. Da 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 da. 2, 1. Oh, you dodged it. Boom. Wait. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. We have to wait. All right. She joined. I said she joined. She joined again. And do you like my beautiful halo? Oh, it's dripping. Okay, my show now. Come see my show. Okay, sit over here. I mean, just stand right here. Okay. Da 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 da. Okay. No, mill base. Mill base, Grace, mill base. Hey, that rhymes. Mill base, Grace. What the heck? I'm right over here. What? don't know where I am. I don't like this room. Okay, I'm out now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you outside? Let's do a 1v1. Outside. Okay, one versus one. Like one person versus another person. Okay, so meet outside, okay? And then we're gonna stand in a straight line, and then when I say go, then we go, okay? Okay, I'm gonna find you. I'm not gonna kill you, I promise. Do not kill me though. If you kill me, then I'm going to kill you next round. Okay, where are you? Okay, I'm following your footprints. No, because you're not murderer. Only murderer has it. Okay, okay. Meet me. Stay there, okay? And then I'm gonna tell you when to thingy. Okay, where are you? Oh, you're up there. Okay, no, don't shoot me yet. Okay, stand right over here, facing the way I'm facing. Okay, good. Okay, now I'm gonna go right here. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! That was so easy. See that beauty right there? See that beauty? Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Ah! Oh my god. Oh gosh, I'm sheriff. Hold on, Tio. I need to do something really quick. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, you got me! I'm gonna turn the sound so loud. Yeah. I put on some music just so you know. But it's on my e-pad, so yeah. Do you like this panda? Okay, I'm gonna put 1v1 mode on. Let's see. Oh no, I did it too late. 1v1 mode. That means I get to pick because it's my VIP server. Awesome. Because you don't have a noodle, but I'm so sorry. Okay, goodbye. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's so easy with you. I'm so sorry. I will pray that you will be good. Okay? Oh, 1v1 mode, I forgot. I put on 1v1 mode. That means I get to pick. Okay, I'm gonna put 1v1 mode off after. Wow. Okay, let's go. At Sheriff. My brother has ghosts, so he can go invisible. So cool. And but only when he's murderer. It's so scary too. I'm like, oh my gosh, are you ghost? But when he takes out his knife, he goes unghost. Oh my god, this is so hard. I just came where I started. Where are you? Okay, meet outside, okay? You know this map? Hi. Okay, I'm gonna put on. Oh, no, not my radio. I'm gonna put on some music, okay? But not right now when the game starts. Okay, I think it's loading. Pick what? Yeah, me too. Sometimes that happens. I'm like, no. Okay, I'm gonna put on some music now. Wait, what? How did you do that? I didn't even see you. Wait, what? You're so mean. I hate you. It's okay. Wow. I wish we could go out. You can go up here, I guess. But you can't like go. It just stops you. Blue? What do you mean blue? It's the sky. I'm pretty sure. Okay, guys. After this round, we're gonna stop. I'm sorry. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many days. But I can make a stay. That's what people say. That's what people say. Cause I got some skills. Okay, guys. I'm sorry, but we gotta go. Goodbye. Bye.